Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a kinky twist tutorial. If you've not already, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends. So this video I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful kinky twist. I only used 2 packs of kinky twist to achieve this style, and the great thing is that you can keep this style for 2 months or 3 months, and you can even wash it. This hair is very beautiful and it's so easy to do. I crocheted the middle of the hair and I just did single twist in front, on the sides and at the back of my hair. You're gonna see everything in the video. Trust me, this hair is really worth your time because you can do so many styles with this hair and it's really easy to do as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends. So now let's get into the tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start by applying this Indian hemp cream. It's time to go now. We're moving out of town. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my castor oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. So now I'm just gonna section a small part in front of my hair on both sides and at the back. That's why I'm going to do this. That's why I'm going to do the single twist. So after doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the braiding pattern for the twist I'm gonna crochet. So now I'm done with the braiding pattern. So now I'm gonna go ahead and twist the hair. Like I said earlier on, I used 2 packs to achieve this style. But before I twist the hair, I make sure I apply enough cream on my fingers to make the twist to flow easily. So this is the hair I use for it. I'm gonna write the name of the hair in the description box. So these are the ones I've twisted already. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm just gonna take it off and then split it into 2 equal halves. So right here, I'm gonna start twisting.
Pack up your perfume and all your clothes, take back the TV. It's time to go now.
So right here, I'm gonna show you guys again.
We're moving out of town. Pack a few picture frames before we're done. I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us and up ahead.
So this is what the twist looks like. So right here, I'm going to start crocheting the twist to my cornrows. So now I'm done with the crochet part. I'm gonna start doing the single twist. I just took out a little portion of my hair, and then I cornrowed the beginning part of it and then ended up twisting it. I'm gonna show you guys properly. So as you guys can see, I cornrowed the root of my hair, and then to an extent, then I continued by twisting the hair. I feel this way it will be very, very firm. It will be very hard to, fall out. And that's what I'm gonna keep doing.
Pack up your perfume and all your clothes. Take back the TV. It's time to go now. We're moving out of town. Pack a few picture frames before we're done. I scraped up all the change up under our bed. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway.
So right here, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of hair mousse on it to smoothen the twist. And now I'm just laying my edges with Eco Styler gel. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.
Playlist